Hi, everybody. I'm Grant Hosford. I'm the CEO and co-founder of codeSpark. We teach young kids about computer science. And we don't just believe that kids should learn to code for coding's sake. We believe they should create with code. That's a really important distinction. AI might actually write code in the future, but AI has a limited ability to be creative. Kids, of course, have a boundless ability to be creative. And why should kids know this? Well, just one of many, many data points is they're going to be surrounded by software everywhere. By 2030, we're going to have 100 billion connected devices in the world. Software is going to be all around kids all the time, collecting data, whether they think about it or not. And we want to teach them to think critically about that and to use software to augment their own abilities. So we teach what we would call the ABCs of coding, fundamental concepts and skills. And we focus on getting them into creation as quickly as possible. Our core age group is kindergarten through 5th grade. And there's a few things about our platform that are unique, including a no words interface. The solution comes in two pieces. There's a customer-facing piece that the kids use, and then there's a teacher dashboard that teachers can log on to for free and gain access to our curriculum and to the tools. They can track individual student progress, and they can also get access to professional development resources. So we're available on all the platforms, tablets, web, Amazon, and we're also integrating Clever and Google Classroom so that it makes it as easy as possible for teachers to use this. And just to be clear about our business model, we offer everything for free to public schools and libraries, and we charge parents who want to use the product at home a subscription. So key features, why are we different from some of the other learn to code platforms out there? One is this no words interface that allows pre-readers and kids who speak any language to be able to use it. It also works exceptionally well with kids who have any kind of reading related disability, so autism, dyslexia, ADHD, etc. We're explicitly girl friendly. So what do we mean by that? We have more girl characters than boy characters. Our girl characters kick butt. They're superheroes and astronauts and things that any kid would want to be. And then we have this community for support and inspiration, right? So we have creative tools that allow kids to build their own video games and create their own interactive stories. And they can do that with a variety of tools, and they can layer commands in a way that get pretty sophisticated as they start to understand the tools better and better. Is it working? We think it is. We have 1.5 million active users a month. They spend 70% of their time creating on the platform, and kids are making 27,000 creations every day and sharing them with each other and learning from each other. This is an example of how kids evolve over their time on their platform. So this first game was played a handful of times. It didn't get remixed. Remix means someone else in the community saw it, wanted to understand how that game was programmed, remixed a copy for themselves. In month 3, the 28th game made by this particular player, who's an 8-year-old girl from Iowa, she got 17 remixes. So 17 people thought that that game was cool enough where they wanted a copy for themselves and they wanted to see how she did some of the code there. And then by month 5, she got 13,352 remixes. And she created this bunny that like ate a rabbit and turned into a unicorn and did all kinds of cool stuff. So this is the team. We all come from a background of either kids media, kids gaming, or online subscription. Key partners include Apple, Code.org, Girl Scouts will be making an announcement this summer, and VIP Kid in China. Our impact so far, we've had over 30 million kids use the platform in 190 countries. 50% of them are girls, which we're very proud of. And we now have 52,000 teachers on the platform. So the message from me to you today is that coding alone is not enough. It's coding plus creativity. And codeSpark is well set up to be the platform that delivers that to kids all around the globe. Thank you.